Are you looking to create a powerful online presence with a WordPress website? Wondering how to navigate the complexities of development without draining your resources? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Gary, and in this video we'll explore how outsourcing WordPress development can be the solution your business needs. We'll cover the need for outsourcing WordPress development and benefits of outsourcing and what to look for in an outsourcing partner. So let's start by understanding how outsourcing WordPress development can be the solution your business might need. WordPress is the world's leading platform for creating websites. Whether you're a blogger, a business owner, or a developer, WordPress offers unparalleled flexibility and power. WordPress is like a toolbox with unlimited possibilities. From small personal blogs to large corporate websites, its flexibility is unmatched. In today's digital age, businesses and entrepreneurs are leveraging WordPress power to build robust websites that effectively engage and convert users. However, developing and maintaining a WordPress site requires expertise and resources that not every organization possesses in-house. From complex coding to responsive design and ongoing maintenance, the demands of WordPress development can overwhelm even the most skilled teams. This is where outsourcing comes into play. Outsourcing WordPress development allows businesses to tap into a global talent pool and expertise, ensuring their websites are built efficiently and to the highest standards. Now let's explore some of the key benefits of outsourcing WordPress development. First is access to expertise. Outsourcing provides access to specialized skills and experience in WordPress development, including theme customization, plugin development, and optimization techniques. Secondly, cost efficiency. By outsourcing, businesses can reduce operational costs associated with hiring and training in-house developers. This makes it a cost-effective solution, especially for small to medium-sized enterprises. Third is faster development. Outsourcing allows for faster turnaround times, as teams dedicated to WordPress development can focus solely on the project without distractions from other internal tasks. Fourth is scalability. Whether you need a simple blog or a complex e-commerce platform, outsourcing allows you to scale your development resources up or down based upon your project requirements. Now, let's try to find out why selecting the right WordPress development partner is important. Selecting the right outsourcing partner is crucial for the success of your WordPress project. Here are some of the tips to consider. First one being portfolio and experience. You should review the outsourcing company's portfolio and check their experience with WordPress projects similar to yours. Second is client feedback and reviews. Read client testimonials and reviews to gauge the outsourcing company's reputation and reliability. Third is communication and support. Ensure clear communication channels are established and support is available throughout the development process and beyond. In conclusion, outsourcing WordPress development offers businesses a strategic advantage by leveraging external expertise, reducing costs, and accelerating project delivery. Whether you are launching a new site or enhancing an existing one, consider outsourcing as a viable option to achieve your goals effectively. Now, let me give you a sneak peek into how Softtrix can be your ultimate outsourcing WordPress development partner. At Softtrix, we specialize in crafting bespoke WordPress solutions tailored to the client's unique needs. Our dedicated professionals bring years of expertise to every project, ensuring seamless integration and exceptional quality. Whether you need a robust e-commerce platform, a captivating blog, or a complex web application, Softtrix delivers unparalleled WordPress solutions. From concept to execution, we ensure every project is meticulously crafted to enhance user experience and drive business growth. You should contact Softtrix today to elevate your online presence with our top-tier WordPress development service. Experience the difference with Softtrix, where your vision actually becomes a reality. And if you found this session helpful, please like, share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you once again.